Many of you guys had questions on some MetaTrader tutorials on how to open and close a trade for a lot of you newbies out there. Let me show you. Once you have your MetaTrader opened and you're actually logged in, you can do one of a couple of things. There is a button here called New Order. You can either click that, or you can click anywhere, right click anywhere on your screen, and you can go to Trading and New Order. Or there is a shortcut key called F9. If you press that on your keyboard, this box will pop up. You can, by default, you're selected on the same currency that you're looking at, or you can choose any other ones that you like. You choose your lot size. If you want to add in a stop loss or take profit, you can do that as well. And instant execution is if you wanted to open the trade immediately. Pending order is something where you can set your order that if a certain price is touched, then your order gets executed. So instant execution is usually the one that a lot of people go with for opening a trade immediately, and you can choose to sell or buy. Okay, let's, for example, I clicked on buy right now. Now once you click on buy, there's a button up here called terminal. You can click on terminal. If you do not have this button, you can go to Windows. You can go to view and you will see terminal, or you can press Control T on your keyboard. Once you see terminal, on the bottom left you will see the button called trade. You will see your trade running right now, and if you would like to close it, just click on your symbol one time, right click, and there is a button that says close order. If I click close order, closes the order right away. And you can see in the account history, we can go to custom period for today, and you will see that today's order that we had closed for $21 of profit, it's right there. Okay, so we learned how to open and close a trade. Now, how do we add stop losses and take profits to our orders? And let's take a look. Let's open up our MetaTrader. Okay, now for example, let's say I have a buy on my Euro USD. Let's click on buy, let it execute, and okay, there we go, executed. We can see this green line here that shows us that I'm in a buy position. Let's click on my terminal button. We can see the trade is running right now. Now we will see right here where it says SL. That means your stop loss. A stop loss is basically what is the maximum amount of loss you can afford to take when the system automatically closes you out. Okay, so we can set the stop loss on our own. Now the price I entered is right here, 1.3550. So let's enter our stop loss. We can right click right here and go to modify or delete order. Once we do that, since let's say I want to go for 20 pips below, I want to keep my stop. So that's 1.3550 minus 20. So that's 1.3530. Remember, it's only 4 decimals. It's only 4 digits after the decimal. The 5th digit is just for precision. It's not really necessary. Okay. Now we can do the same thing for our take profit. 40 pips above this would be 1.3590. Okay, we can just click on this blue button here that says modify, and we can soon see on the bottom once it executes. Just give it a minute. Okay, there we go. Let's click OK. Now we can see that we have our stop loss and take profit in place. If we can look on our charts, we scroll it down a little bit, we see this bottom red line is our stop loss and the top red line is our take profit. So as the price reaches any of these, the whole trade will close out by itself. Alright guys, welcome back. Now I'm going to be discussing some of MetaTrader's orders that we can place. Let's take a look. Now we are looking at Euro USD on the 15-minute chart, and we see that this is the current price. So at the rate of 1.3094, let's say we want to go ahead and sell at this rate. Let's say we take a look at this and we're like, okay, the markets are gonna head down. Okay, remember when you're trading your currencies, to a simple way to look at it, if you want the base currency to go up, you're going to hit buy. If you want it to go down, you're gonna hit sell.
in Forex you can make money either ways, and whether you're going buy or a long, or if you want to go sell, also known as short. Okay, so in this particular case I am going to sell because I think the markets are going to go down. I'm going to sell one mini lot, which is 0.1. I click the sell button. What I've just done is what we call a market order. I've placed a trade on the market price. Okay, I did not expect the market to go to a certain price and then execute. Okay, now for example, if I want, here are my running trades. Let's take a look. I have a sell at one mini lot for this price, currently running at negative $2, which is approximately negative 2 pips. Now if I double click this, you can see my SL stands for stop loss. TP stands for take profit, also known as limit order. If I want to set these, I just double click it over here and it asks me where I want to set my stop loss price. For example, since I'm selling, if the market actually goes up from this green line, that's when I start making a loss. I want to say I do not want to make a loss more than this price here, 1.30995. 30995 is my stop I want it to be. Or let's make it a little bit higher. 31040. 31040. Okay? Now I have just placed a stop order, okay, which means if this trade goes here and it touches this price, I will close into, this is going to be my maximum loss I can accept. It will close automatically. Even if the price goes further after that, I do not take any more losses other than this much. Same happens with a take profit. You can also set a limit. It's called a limit order as far as how much your profit can go. So let's say I'm expecting the market to go down till here at 30770. Okay, so let me type this, 1.30770, and I'm going to click modify. Okay, now I see my take profit is over here. You can also see it here, 30770, which means if the market goes down and it touches this area, your profits are booked immediately. Even if it goes down here and within a split second it goes back up towards here, you book your complete profit over here. Okay, so this is useful in in the forex market, because the forex market does not move slowly. It tends to swing, and you can see the prices fluctuate quite fast. So making use of both of these orders are quite nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and close these trades. This was just for the sake of an example. I'm going to double click here. There's a close button here. I am closing now at market price, which is a market order. I am placing a market order to close. Okay. Now, there is another word which is called a stop entry. Okay, what is a stop entry? Okay, this is the current price that's running right now. Okay, a stop entry is if I want a stop buy entry, okay, which means simply this. Okay, let me make this bigger for you guys to see. I want to buy above the current market price. So let's say I want, once the price reaches, let's say here, 3112, I pretty much know that the market is going to continue long, so I'm going to continue buying from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a order right here, which is called a stop entry order. Go to right click, go to trading, and a buy stop. Once I click it, I can set the price at 31125. Okay, 31125. Click place, and there we go. Now you can see here on my trade, there is no trade actually running There is a buy stop entry though, which means once the market reaches this area, a buy is executed. Now you can add stop loss and take profit to this also if you'd like. You can just simply double click it, put your stop loss here, put your take profit here, and click modify. Okay. Now a stop entry, this is a buy stop entry. There is a sell stop entry also, which means you want to sell below the market price. Let's say 1.3076. Okay, if I just put my mouse around that area, right click, trading, sell stop. Okay, I think the 765. Okay, I click place, and voila, I have my sell stop entry. You can see nothing is still running. It just means once the market touches this, my sell opens. Now, these are the conditions for a stop entry. Let's go ahead. That's the terminology that it's used. It's called a stop entry. To go above from the current market or below from the current market. Let's go ahead and close these. Delete these orders. Double click and delete. I no longer want them. Now, let's take a look at the other option. The other one is called a limit entry, which means above the current market, I want to sell, and below the current market, I want to buy. So this time we're going towards the market, current market, not away from it. This is what we call a limit entry. If I expect the market to go up till here and then I want to sell, that is what we call a limit entry. Okay. Let's say this is the price I want to place. So I'm expecting the market to go up to here and from here to drop. That's when I use a limit entry. Same happens down here. I'm expecting the market to come down here. I can place the order here to go up towards the current price. Okay, that's what we call a limit. You're going towards the current price that you see as of right now. Okay, remember all of these orders, you can also place your stop loss and take profit, and then you can simply walk away. And your trades will be executed with the proper stop losses and take profits also. Remember, all of these orders in the Forex market are absolutely free, unlike the stock market. They charge you for all this. In the Forex market, using all of these orders are absolutely free. So take complete advantage of them. Okay, hope this was easy to learn and it made sense now that there was a video tutorial. And thanks for watching.